Hey there, how y'all doing? It's Guitar Man 3YT here, and I have another upgrade for your import Strats, Squires, or like this one comes from a Yamaha, one that I'm building now, but it's basically the same thing as a regular import Strat bridge. So let's get started. Anyway, first of all, it was just chrome, regular chrome bridge, as the regular block. Anyway, so I ordered a black one. I wanted the black chrome one. I ordered it off of eBay. Came from China. It's only like $7, and you get what you pay for. When I got it, the plate is so thin, it's like made out of a piece of foil. You could almost bend it. And I was like, oh, I don't want that. So I took the regular one, which is pretty thick. It's about the normal Squire. Not sure what gauge that is. It's like 16 gauge steel, something like that. Anyway, so I went ahead and scuffed it up, painted it black, let it sit for about a week so I can handle it, not getting any fingerprints on it. So I'm going to use that. I went ahead and decided to use the regular block that it came with because it is pretty thick. It looks like my regular steel blocks that I buy, with the exception that it's just missing the part right here, which is a cutout. And at first I thought, you know, that's not any good. I need a solid block. But the more I started thinking about it, I want to use the tremolo on this guitar. And that cutout will help to raise the bar higher. Since it's cut out right there, a solid block is going to hit the back of the guitar first before this will because of that cutout. It's going to allow it to pull up more. So it'll be able to pull up against the back of the guitar more, give you a little bit more leeway to go on a deeper dive. So anyway, I'm going to keep this. But the really cool upgrade, the reason why I'm making this video is what else I ordered from China, which are really cool. I didn't know they had these on there. Came across there on eBay. And these little guys here. Nope, and they're not gold plated, those are solid brass. Solid brass saddles for my import Strat bridge with a black plate and the brass. I think it's gonna look really nice. So I'm gonna put that together and see what it looks like. Down here, it actually came with an Allen wrench, which is nice because those little bitty small metric screws, hard to find an Allen wrench, sometimes it fits. Get a razor blade here to cut that. In here. This packaging all the way from Guangdong, China, or Hong Kong, wherever it came from. Pretty cool. They were not $7 free shipping. So we'll go ahead and put this block back on. Mounted it. Without dropping it, scratching it all to pieces. saddles. Cool. Okay, so there's a good upgrade for any Squire or import strap bridge. Just a 10.5 spacing, solid brass saddles. Got them on eBay, less than $10. Painted this black. I think it looks good together. Anyway, if y'all like this video, hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.